The iOS 18.2 update brings several new Apple Intelligence features to your iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 Pro Max, centered mostly around image generation and visual intelligence on iPhone 16. But it also integrated ChatGPT into Apple's AI tools, including Siri, and it can be incredibly useful. Here are all the places that ChatGPT has been added to iOS and how you can use them to turbocharge AI on your iPhone to enable it. You don't need a ChatGPT account to start using it on your iPhone, but you do need to turn it on Open Settings, then Apple Intelligence, Siri, and look for the ChatGPT menu under the Extensions heading. If and when Apple integrates other AI services, they'll also appear here in the ChatGPT menu. Tap Set Up, and you'll get a pop-up card telling you what you can do with ChatGPT. Tap Next, then on the next card tap Enable ChatGPT or use ChatGPT with an account.